Yep. Go ahead and get this thing going this morning. Got a bigger job, got a little small job today. And about to get started on this roof job. It's not a big job, but it's definitely a job. So let's see what we got. All right, let's just go up a little bit. See what we got here. There we go. Let's see here. Yeah, it's got a little crack here. I have to go keep it all in this same area, but let's go ahead and get on it. All right, obviously I got this bondoed up. This bondo is fully dry now. I decided to go with bondo because the damage wasn't that deep. So what I'm about to do now is just go ahead and sand it down and try to, what they call, feather it out. And just stick with me. I must say this also, this is not only a eyesore repair, this is also a preventative repair. If this is not done in the near future, it'll probably start leaking water and causing more damages. Now that I got all that out the way, do me a big favor to help grow the channel. Could you take your time out and hit that subscribe button? Please and thank you. All right, as you can see, we got this ready for primer. We got it outlined, ready for some paper, and we're just gonna do a spot blend on this. So let's go get the primer. All right, I'm about to shoot primer on this, and let me show you guys what you're looking at. I got it masked off, so I don't want primer to go all the way over there and everywhere down here. I want to keep it right in this area right here. So I got this little barrier set up right here to just do that. So I'm about to spray this primer so we can go ahead and get to the next step. do a test spray. That's it. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit and then put one more coat in and we can go to the next step. All right, I got everything cleaned up here. Let's try to get a better angle at this so I can show you guys what I'm attempting to do. All right. Okay, so over here, of course, this needs to be covered, but I got these letters down here that I'm not trying to get paint on. So I'm gonna try to stay paint right up in here and blend it, and then clear out and blend from there where everything looks uniform when I get done. Again, this is just blending this area so you can't tell where I started and where I stopped at. So bear with me, and we're gonna go ahead and try to get this done. All right, got it all taken care of. Let that compressor cut off. You can see I attempted not to, and I know this is white, so you can't really tell where it started, where it finished, but trust me, it's blended pretty good. But this is how you do a mobile repair on an RV, right, done right on the spot. Get a closer look at it. You can see. Yes, sir. But thank you guys for joining me. If you got to this point of the video, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, share it with a friend.